Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can use Afterpay with Cash App. First, you will need to open up Cash App, launch the app on your phone, and you want to check for Afterpay card or access. You will go to the Discover tab or Buy Now Pay Later section. This may show up if you're eligible for Afterpay via Cash App. If you don't see it, it means that you're not eligible. You will then browse stores or products. You want to select a store or service that supports Afterpay, and you will choose Pay with Afterpay. When checking out, you want to select Afterpay as your payment method. In Cash App, this might show as Buy Now Pay Later (BNPL) or Afterpay Pay in 4. You want to set up your payment plan. Afterpay will divide your total into 4 payments. The first payment is due now, the rest autopay every 2 weeks. You want to link Cash App card if it's needed. If you're shopping through Afterpay directly, you can use your Cash App card as the payment method for the installments. Confirm and pay, you want to tap complete purchase and you will be done. You want to watch for reminders. Afterpay sends due dates, reminders, so you can stay on track. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.